Funcils sent me this super cool scissor fun kit for my 3.5-year-old. He starts preschool soon, and this is a skill that he is going to need to practice before he gets there, so we know how to use them safely. So cool. Okay. Where do you stop?
There.
At the dot. Okay, let's see you work. Okay, let's hold the scissors the right way. We put our thumb in there and fingers in there. Let's see. Here, do a test cut right here. Perfect. Okay, so you can pick this up and hold it to make it easier. Oh, beautiful. Go slow. Nice and slow and steady. Oh, we're going crooked. Try holding them. This is upside down. Try holding them this way and see if you can go straighter. Ooh, ooh, hold on. There we go. Oh, and stop. You got to the rocket ship. Good job. Now let's try, how about this zigzag one? Here, hold it with this hand. This one's a little harder. Boom. Okay, now we turn. We turn our paper and the scissors. Good. Oh, keep going. There we go. Now turn. Oh, beautiful. Keep going a little bit more. Now turn on the line. Here, hold on. Slow, slow. Try holding the paper. Look, this way. Here, I'll hold this side. There we go. And a little bit more. Stop. Oh, good job. We got one more. This is a squiggly, squiggly one.
Squiggly squig.
Okay, hold it like that. There you go. You're doing so good. Good job.